The Los Setenta Ranch sits 147 miles north of Dallas, Texas, on a dead-end country road, making it an ideal recreational investment tract. This 70-acre tract is comprised with a combination of mixed hardwoods with pine regeneration. The two allows for an abundance of bedding areas and adequate mast production during the winter months. An extensive creek bottom, Clear Creek, runs through the property from north to south, providing both excellent hunting and fishing possibilities. The presence of a power line row and railroad track provides expanded access, prospective food plot locations, and unique fishing opportunities from the trestle that crosses Clear Creek. If you are in the market for an affordable recreational and investment tract, then no need to look any further. With access to utilities and in-town amenities just 6 miles from the front gate, Los Setenta gives you the seclusion you seek with the conveniences of town just a short drive away.